Hello everyone! Today I will share my all-time favorite Bulgarian appetizer, or as we call it in Bulgaria, RAZIADKA, which means appetite stimulator. Normally my mom and dad use jalapeno peppers, but I decided to use those colorful ones for the purpose of this video. Buy as many peppers as you wish, as this dish refrigerates very well and the leftovers are even better. For that many peppers, you will also need about 14 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of freshly chopped parsley, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of avocado or olive oil, and salt to taste. Start by arranging the peppers in a large baking tray. Place them on the bottom rack of the oven and broil them on high for 15 minutes or until the skin starts to brown. Then flip them over, and the other side shouldn't take more than about 7 or 8 minutes under the broiler. Keep an eye on them because it all depends on how hot the top burner of your oven burns. While the peppers are broiling, mince the garlic cloves in a bowl, add the chopped parsley, the half a cup of vinegar, and the 2 pinches of salt. I pureed my ingredients by hand, but if you have a food processor with a pulse function, the process is much faster. I just prefer to do it the way it's done back home. And this is the consistency we're looking for. At this point, the peppers should be all done. Once cooled, arrange them in a shallow bowl or two, and using a spoon, spread the parsley topping evenly over them. Finally, preheat the oil in a pan to just about burning point, and when the oil is hot enough, pour it over the peppers, and this is the sound you should be hearing, the sizzling sound of oil and vinegar. I love it. And I promise you, this is one of the most delicious things you will ever taste, if you like garlic. As always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.